My name's Adam DeMacy. I'm an inside sales engineer out of Brookshire, Texas. I serve our industrial distribution partners in the Houston area. It's a beautiful day here in Brookshire. We have a brand new construction going on behind me. This is the new GCI building, which will serve as the headquarters of the Water Utility Performance Unit. This building has an LEED Platinum certification for sustainability. And once the new construction is done, our old building will begin being demolished. But it won't be a traditional demolition. We'll recycle those materials from the old building. But right across the parking lot from our new GCI building, we have our GES office spaces and workshop. That's where we put together our skid and package systems. And then right next to that, we have our Paco plant where we build our Paco product line. A new addition to our Brookshire campus here is we just started building the SL and SE submersible pumps, and we also started configuring our dosing skid systems here. So a lot of new and exciting things going on in Brookshire. Speaking of our submersible pumps, we'll head over to the trailer and check out some of our submersible products.
Hi, my name is Juho. I'm an application engineer in our water utility team. I'll be giving a short introduction to our submersible wastewater pump portfolio. Grundfos offers submersible wastewater pumps all the way from fractional horsepower unilift units all the way to 850 horsepower S pumps. Today we're going to be talking about our small SL range, since we have two of those here in our trailer. Small SL pumps are available in 2.5, 3, 4, and 6-inch discharge sizes, and 1.5 to 15 horsepower motors. The motors are explosion-proof, FM rated, inverter duty, and available in 3-phase, 208, 230, or 460 volts. SL pumps come with two different impeller options. We got the Grundfos S tube that we have on this pump here, as well as vortex impellers for applications where raggy and long fibers might be a problem. We have a good assortment of units in stock in a few different locations over the US. And we also carry components stock here in Brookshire, Texas, where we can build standard units as well as factory product variants with short lead times. Next, I'll be pointing out some of the key features on our SL pumps that help to improve the serviceability of our pumps. First of all, as standard, pumps come with epoxy coating. The surface is very smooth and slick. When pulling out the pumps from the pit, they come up very clean, and it's very easy to clean. Secondly, we have a black type cable here. It requires no connections from terminal board of the pump. So when pulling up your pump for service, all you have to do is plug in your spare, lower it back to the pit, and you're good to go. No changes in wiring needed. Third of all, I'd like to point out the stainless steel clamp here. It allows you to easily disassemble the pump or pump rest of the motor. No special tools needed. And lastly, I'd like to point out a feature that we offer that helps you with your preventative maintenance. The pump is available with water and oil sensor, so you can measure the water content in the oil chamber, and that way give you an idea of your mechanical seal condition. For more information about our submersible wastewater products, contact your local Grundfos sales rep.
All right, I'll talk about the other Grundfos products that we have in our trailer here. We'll start with the traditional Grundfos CR pump. This is a vertical multi-stage pump, really good for high pressure applications, and it can be configured with a different number of stages, different materials, and different flange types. All right, on the other side of the trailer, we have a Grundfos MTR pump. It's very similar to the CR, except this is an immersible machine tool pump. Right next to it, in the center here, are the two pumps that I'd like to focus on. These are both Paco pumps. Out of all the Paco products we build here, these are the two most popular models. We have the split case and the in-section pump. So I'll start with our Paco KP, or the split case pump. The Paco split case pump is a single stage pump. The impeller is made out of either bronze or stainless steel, and it can be trimmed to a custom diameter to meet the customer's specific flow and head needs. This is actually the largest capacity pump that Paco has. We have the smallest model here in our trailer. But these pumps are capable of getting up to 20,000 gallons per minute, and we can put a motor on up to 300 horsepower. Here we have our Paco LCSE pump. It's an end suction split coupled pump with our Grundfos MLE motor. So it's a good blend of our Paco and Grundfos technologies. The MLE motor has a variable frequency drive integrated into it. A few different variations of this pump would be our Paco LC, which is a close coupled pump, and LCS, which is what you see here, but without the MLE. It just has a traditional motor. So with the LC and the LCS pump, those can achieve up to 4,100 gallons per minute, and the horsepower goes up to 125 horsepower. With the MLE that we have here, we're limited to 30 horsepower and 22,000 gallons per minute. These single stage models are really good for cooling tower applications because of their ability to handle large capacities of water. Right now we're developing cooling tower bundles. Each bundle will include 2 of the LCSE pumps that you see here, one duty and one standby. The bundle will also include 2 RPI plus T sensors to measure temperature and differential pressure on supply and return lines to and from the cooling tower. The bundle will also include all cabling we need and an MPC panel. MPC is a multi-pump controller. For more information on the cooling tower bundles, you can visit the landing page by first going to grundfos.us.com. You can also find information on all the Grundfos products you see here.